Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about making your web design process in Wix a whole lot smoother. If you've ever found yourself constantly nudging images and text boxes around, trying to get everything perfectly lined up, then this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to group elements in Wix so you can move and manage your site's content with way less hassle. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. If you're already working on your site, go ahead and open the editor. Don't worry if things look a little cluttered. That's totally normal in the creative stage. Now, one thing I love about Wix is how visual and intuitive the editor is. You'll see your canvas laid out in front of you, with all the little bits and pieces of your site ready to be arranged just how you want. Here's where grouping comes in handy. Imagine you've got a header consisting of a logo, a button, and maybe some text. Instead of painstakingly moving each part every time you adjust the layout, grouping lets you bundle those pieces together so they act like a single object. It's kind of like organizing your desk by using a tray. Move the tray, and all your items stay perfectly together. Start by clicking on the first element you want to group. Maybe it's an image, a text box, or a button. With that selected, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on another element you want to include. If you want, keep holding Shift and keep clicking, adding as many items as you need. This step is really important. Holding Shift lets you select multiple elements at the same time. You'll notice each item you click on will get a highlighted outline, which helps you double-check that you're selecting the right pieces. Once you've got all the elements you want selected, you'll see a new option appear, usually near the top or in the context menu, called Group Elements. This is the magical button that turns your selected items into a single, manageable unit. Just click that option, and a gentle pause to let Wix do its thing. It might take a second, especially if you've selected several items, but don't worry, Wix handles it smoothly. Now, here's the cool part. The elements you've just grouped will move as one whenever you drag them around. So, if you're rearranging your layout or making adjustments for mobile, you won't have to redo all that careful positioning. Grouping saves so much time and keeps your sections looking polished and professional. It's a bit like tying together a few loose pencils with a rubber band. Once they're bundled, they're much easier to carry and arrange. And really, that's all there is to it. Grouping elements in Wix is quick, but it's also incredibly powerful, especially for keeping your designs organized and efficient. If you're working on larger projects or collaborative sites, this tidiness can make all the difference, reducing frustration and speeding up your editing workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It helps grow the channel and lets me know you're getting value from these guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Wix, web design tips, or if there's a topic you'd like covered in another video. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.